Mm, y'all, I probably ain't got the camera right. But welcome back to the House Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. In the, I'm gonna put that as the picture. Okay. I don't know what this thing is. I don't know if that's a black gin or what, but I can barely work. I can barely breathe right now. How big that thing is, and it's just sitting there. So I'm gonna leave it sitting there. Please don't bother me. You stay in your space, and I'm staying in mine. So I don't even know. Welcome back to the House of Girl. Many blessings to you all. This thing got me all discombobulated. So I'm out here because I want to put this blackberry in a tomato cage. Good Lord. That's sitting there. Okay, I ain't looking no more. I'm only looking for my safety. Lord, my goodness, y'all. I want to see if I can do it. I know I waited so late, but I should be able to fit this. I should be able to put this thing in this tomato cage. Because I saw who had theirs in a, I don't know, someone had theirs in some kind of cage or cattle panel, but for right now, I'll settle for the tomato cage. I think it took flight. I don't know. Is it a hermit crab spider? Oh, it's gone. Gone for now. Y'all, my goodness. I know you need the bugs in the garden, but I don't know what that thing was. I don't need to. I don't want that. It's too big for me. No thanks. I'm trying to do this without tearing my plant up and breaking off the berries that are on here. That's why you should do it before they get super big or tall. And that goes for your tomatoes, your peppers, your cucumbers, zucchini. Do it before they get this big, because you run the risk of tearing them up. And I know I'm probably tearing mine up in spaces I can't see, but I'm gonna just in here. See if I can get away with bending that. Yeah, I got away with it. All right. It'll heal itself. And this, I could have sworn I put it in there. Oh, it's in there, but it's not in the first one. Nope. I'm gonna break it. That's all right. It's in there. Somewhat. No, leave this thing in there. Yeah. I'll just put it in the station. Whatever's not in there, I'll put in the one on the bottom and the second one. I somewhat got it in there, just not all the way. Everything not in there. I don't know where that spider went. Hopefully it's gone. And that whatever the thing was. Let's see. Okay. Okay. I seem to be good. Let me get these weeds out of here too. I said I'm gonna get these weeds out of here too. I don't know if y'all heard, cause I've been noticing. I've been when I turn my head or bend, you can't hear me. I have a microphone, y'all, but I don't even use it. Oops, I messed it up. Let's see. Am I crushing it? I'm gonna just put a steak right here and a band-aid basically, so it ain't gone or it doesn't mess up. Okay, this good. This good for now. It's in there somewhat, and then it's in there somewhat is what I said, and then I'm gonna put a stake up right here so this doesn't break off all the way because I did damage that. If the thing done, because my stake's over there, and that's where the dinosaur bug is. I don't know what's that thing is. I ran out of steak. Dang, I did. I ran out of the green ones. So I guess I'm gonna use this for now. Y'all know I don't like these bamboos because they don't work after a while. But it's gonna work for now, and I didn't damage my plant too much. It's just that one that I could see. Okay, I guess that in there, so that's fine. And I found my stevia plant over there in the area where the yeah, where the grapes are, where I can't get into, where the watermelon are. Yeah, I need to clear out some space in that area, but we definitely had a setback with the surgery and everything. I have not been able to get out here how I want to. So we had a setback. Am I still recording it? We definitely had a setback with that. You can't see this. This is the bed I showed on the last video. Oh, if I could tilt it. Okay, there it is. Good. This is the bed I was talking about on my last video that I showed you guys. I'm supposed to be setting up my green stalk, but before I do that, I think I'm gonna plant some seeds because I gotta clean off that area. I gotta get the bags that I use for this. I'll plant my seeds and then mulch this. That way, if I can't get to everything, I'll have that bed planted. Yeah. I just came over here where the thing was. I just forget that it was right here. But I like this because there's a sand there. Let me see. I'm over here. Turn. You can see me good. I really like this thing, guys. This is awesome. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna put carrots in here. And look at these nice stickers from Greenstalk. You purchased these. I think these were $3. I really, I think. But anyway, I do like these, and I don't know what I really want to put in here. Nothing big because I have everything else over here, and then behind it are the peppers. So nothing too big. I know I want to put carrots in here though. And then look at this. This is so cute from Greenstalk. Anyway, calendula gets too tall, so I don't think I'll put that in here. No, I won't put that in there. Okay, so I have the ooh, so I wrote this on here and I can't read it. I don't know if it says Manpu Kuji or Manpu Kuji. Super long carrot. I have to look it up. But these are supposed to get extremely long. I should plant them in my raised bed over there. But just because they're supposed to get super long, I'll just get them as long as this is, hopefully. Because I can't find any other carrot seeds except for my short ones. So I'll go with these. Okay, so I'm going to put these in here, right? And then so I'll take a little bit from here. This is dry. Oh, goodness. This is dry. So I'm gonna put some in here. I think I want to try to get them in a way that I don't have to thin them. So I'm kind of sprinkling, but sprinkling in a way that there's space, kind of. Hopefully. Come on, get out. I don't want to be big. Okay, I think that's good. I hope I'll just sprinkle a little more. So I put those in there. I think I'll take the whole top off and then put it back. Oh, I can't. Now I take it. Oh, why are you? Oh, why would you do that? Mr. Hollis just snuck up on me, guys. He caught me slipping. But so I'm gonna put these here, and then I'm gonna cover it with this dirt, and then I'll mulch it, and that way they won't move around as much. Hopefully, pure food. My baby will. She will. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna put that there, and I'm gonna grab some up now because the baby is awake. Ooh, that's hot. Okay, so I know a lot of people say that if you mulch the carrots, they won't come up. But in this bed over here, I mulched. You can't see it now because the weeds took over. Lord, I am not in the camera, but that's all right. Y'all see the bed. Okay, look at the bed. So I mulched right here where I just put the carrots, and then it's gonna work because I did the same thing over there, and I have carrots coming up. You'll see it in another video. And then on this side, I have another carrot, but it's the small ones. Right, here it is. Okay, here it is. It's the Danvers half long carrots. And we'll put these in here. Okay. And we'll spread those around the same way. Kind of sprinkle it in like seasoning. And then I'll put the soil back. Just a little bit of soil just to cover it. And then now the mulch. Okay, so that's it for now. I'm gonna come back out and water it, and they shouldn't move out of the place that I put it in because of the mulch. And then we'll see what we get. But I better label this before I go. Long carrot. The long carrot is in the front, and the Danvers short is in the back. All right, that's it for now. I will come back and we'll fill the rest of this. We'll water it in, and we'll do the green stock. I don't know if that'll be another video, but like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, y'all see that right? So it was just gonna be on my face if it wasn't right there. Terrible. I hope I'm looking at the camera. It's weird. But anyway, like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. Many blessings. I'm still looking to see if it's on me still. Let's see, y'all. Y'all see this thing? It's still on? No. All right. Bye.